In this video, we will talk about how to create a comprehensive title and profile description. They have a complicated mission. They need to be attractive both for customers and algorithms. Let's get started with the title. The biggest mistake freelancers make here is to using too broad titles. Your title should be tightly related to your expertise and what you want to use on Upwork. For example, if you are a marketer but want to provide only email services, write email marketer. If you are setting up as both on Google Ads and Facebook Ads, write both of them. For instance, paid advertising lines include Google and Facebook Ads. Remember that these should be short and include keywords to give people the ability to find your profile through an Upwork search. If you have enough time, I also recommend you think about how you can make the title look creative. I know the title "Hire a Copywriting Specialist." This was a simple but really brilliant solution. Think about how you can differ from your competitors. Now let's discuss how to make a profile description. You already know that it's important to input in the text keywords related to your service, and the first few sentences do matter because they appear as previews if the client doesn't open the whole page. The main things you should master in your descriptions are client centricity, originality, and creativity. You can achieve it through different structures, but we recommended including these 4 parts. Number 1. Grabbing attention. There is a paragraph from 1 or 2 sentences that makes you look different from your competitors, but might be pricey to the clients. Number 2. Achievement. What you have already done in this niche shows your expertise. Maybe your email campaigns increase business sales by 10%, or you have worked with niche leaders. Maybe you facilitate the conference in this niche, etc. Number 3. Skills. There are 1 or a few paragraphs to express your unique skills that will be useful to your clients as a professional and straightforward manner. Clearly describe what can do for your client with such skills. The final part is the call to action. There are a few sentences that help to understand your availability and encourage the clients to work with you. Make sure that your description includes the desired type of work and industry, your years of experience, your software proficiency, and the languages you speak. And remember to proofread your title and description to avoid spelling or grammar mistakes. It will impact your authority in the eyes of the customer according to Upwork algorithm. That's it for now. In the next videos, we will discuss portfolios and other things that help you enhance your Upwork profile. See you next.